Hello guys! Okay, now we will present the procedure of herbal cough medicine. And first we will introduce our name. Okay, my name is Helmi Audia.
My name is Nabilla Fridayani.
My name is Indah Tri Nursyarifah.
And my name is Angelia Rambu Hamu.
Lime and soy sauce are indeed greatly relied upon for cough medicine by Indonesian people. Therefore, a study from the University of Brawijaya tries to prove its benefits. Lime contains antibacterial or able to prevent the growth of bacteria.
Therefore, a cough with phlegm will respond more to lime and soy sauce than a cough without phlegm or a dry cough. This mixture will improve cough symptoms by reducing the amount of phlegm, namely phlegm deposits in the respiratory tract. Curious about how to make a concoction of lime and soy sauce? It's very easy really. You only need to prepare a few ingredients such as a tablespoon, knife, lime, and sweet soy sauce. As an alternative, you can also prepare a glass, warm water, and honey.
After all ingredients are prepared, follow step by step. Number 1. Prepare the lime steak a knife. Then cut into 2 parts. Number 2. Prepare of tablespoons for enough sweet soy sauce. After soy sauce, okay. Number 3. After that, take 1 part of the things that has been cut. Squeeze the liquid into a spoon that already contains sweet soy sauce. Number 4. Make sure no lime seeds are mixed in. Number 5. You can immediately consume a mixture of lime and sweet soy sauce of 2-3 times a day.
That's how to get rid of the cough with lime and soy sauce that you can try. The efficacy of the mixture of the 2 ingredients is generally very satisfactory because it can reduce cough symptoms. But actually, the widespread use of this conclusion still requires future research. This conclusion of lime and soy sauce to treat cough doesn't have the same effect on everyone. Therefore, if you have consumed the conclusion and the complaint doesn't go away, consult a doctor future. You can also use the Ask the Doctor service for an online consultation with a doctor.
Alright guys, see you next time.